Ontos is the central idea around which much of our work here revolves, acting as the organizing principle that ties everything else together.
Ontos comes from the Greek word for being or existence. It refers to the essential nature or reality of something, what it means for something to exist or be.
When philosophers discuss ontos, they are delving into deep questions like, what does it mean for something to exist? What kinds of things can be said to exist? And what is the fundamental nature of reality?
Ontos serves as the starting point for the discipline of metaphysics, the most concentrated expression of which is known as ontology. Ontology deals with questions like, what kinds of entities make up reality? Are there different levels of existence, like physical objects, abstract ideas, or even potential beings that could exist?
These questions have led to debates over whether things like numbers, emotions, or even fictional characters have a form of existence. The more we move away from these central questions, the more we enter the domain of metaphysics more broadly, a field concerned with the first principles of things in general and in particular. Ontos equally calls attention to both of these research programs, the focused and the expansive.
Ultimately, ontos is about the underlying reality of things beyond their purely physical attributes. For instance, if we ask about the ontos of a tree, we are not merely inquiring about its physical properties or how it grows. We are asking what it means for a tree to exist as a unique entity in the world. In other words, what does it mean to be a tree?
The concept of ontos is also pivotal in existential philosophy. Heidegger, for example, explored the difference between being or existence as such and simply being present as a particular instance of something. This type of inquiry invites us to consider not only what things exist, but also what it means to be a conscious, experiencing subject.
Ontos ultimately leads us to fundamental questions about what exists and the nature of existence itself.
This connects directly to the acronym of our channel, TOE, Theories of Everything.
At bottom, every theory of everything is a determination of ontos and therefore constitutes a prospective ontology underlying all aspects of reality.
This means that ontos is relevant not only to metaphysical theories,
but also to religious traditions,
epistemology,
logic,
linguistics,
metaphor,
mathematics,
phenomenology, and
the foundations of thought itself.